Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Engineering by Neha Sayyed. In this video, we are going to see another method for detecting an error, that is an cyclic redundancy check, that is CRC. In the previous video, we have seen checksum as an error detecting method, or for detecting an error, we have seen checksum. So as in the previously we have seen, for checksum we were using binary addition. Here we are going to use binary division. Similarly, like the checksum, we are going to append the CRC bits, or we can say we are just going to add the data to the, or we can say we are going to add CRC bits to the original data. Means what? The data is going to be followed by a CRC bits, or you can say it is going to be followed, or it is the CRC bit is going to be appended after the data. Okay, and it is very powerful technique as compared to the previous methods that we have seen for detecting an error. Here we are going to use XOR for the division. For both the 0 we are getting, if both the input is 0, then and if both the input is 0 and if both the input is 1, then and then only we get the zeros. Means both the input have to be same, and for 0 1 1 and 1 0 is 1. Here we are going to use a generator polynomial. As I have told you, we are going to use a division technique here. So for that we need a generator polynomial to get the divisor. For getting the divisor we use generator polynomial, and this key is going to be available at both the end, at a sender side also and at a receiver side also. So how we generate how we are going to generate the divisor here? See, for example, this is our expression and these degrees are going to be considered as a divisor. So for example, this is 1x cube, 0x square. As you can see, there is no x square, and that's why I have written 0x square. And next is 1x plus 1. Okay, so simply as you can see, 1 0 1 and 1. So this is a polynomial or a key. Okay, so this is how we generate a polynomial. Now we will take one simple example how this actually CRC works. So for example, this is our data 100 100. This is our data to be sended, and this is a key. You can say g of x. This is a divisor. So how actually we are going to divide the bits so that we can detect an error, that we are going to see with the help of one simple example. Okay, as I have told you, divisor was 1101, and this is a dividend, that data that actually that we wanted to send. Now as you can see, you have to remember we are going to append the number of zeros. uh, for example, this is our divisor is 4 bits, 1 2 3 and 4. So we are going to minus 1, n minus 1, don't forget n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3, so we are going to add 3 zeros to it. Okay, so and this 3 is going to be added, 3 zeros is going to be added. Now we are going to start division. So first bit is 1, as you can see, so simply we can take 1 means 1 1 0 1. Now do XOR, don't forget we are doing XOR, not addition. 1 1 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 0 0 is again 0, 1 1 is 0. Okay, now we have to take this 0 below and we have to discard the first one. Okay, now first bit is again 1, so we are going to take 1 1 1 0 1. 1 1 is 0, 1 sorry 0 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 1 0 1. Discard this, take above 0. Now again you can see first bit is 1, so we are going to take 1 1 1 0 1. Now 1 1 is again 0, 0 1 1 1 and 1. Discard this, take above 0. Again 1 1 1 0 1. 1 1 is 0, 0 1 1. Discard this, take above 0. Now you can see first bit is 0, we are going to take 0 means 4 times 0 we are going to take just. Okay, so again 0 1 1 0, discard this, take this one. Okay, so we have get this. Now again we are going to take 1 1 1 0 1. Now what we have get, 0 0 0 1, so discard this. So this is our remainder. Till when we are going to do the division? Till all these bits are being completed. Then once this all the bits have been completed, then we will stop. So this is our remainder, and we are going to add this remainder. We are going to add this remainder to the original data. So what was the data word that we wanted to send? That this was the uh, so this was the data word that we wanted to send. So we are going to append this CRC bit or this remainder to this original data. So what we are going to send? 100 and we are going to append, or we are going to add this bit. So this is our code word that we are actually going to be sent. Okay, this is a code word that is going to be sent. Okay, now this is happening at a sender side. Sender is appending the CRC bit or the data. This is the original data, and this remainder is the CRC bit or the redundant bit. Okay, and this is going to be sended. This was happening at a sender side. Now how the receiver is going to check whether there is any error or not, that we are going to see now. Okay, so what receiver has received now? As I have told you, key or the divisor would be available at both the end. This is our divisor. Now as I have told you, the sender has sent the code word 100 100 001. Okay, this was the remainder, and this code word was completely sent. Now again we are going to do the division. As you can see, first bit is 1. We are going to take 1s are 1 1 0 1. 1 1 is 0 1 0 0. Discard this, take 0. Again 1s are, because first bit is 1. 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Discard this, take above 1, above 0 0. Again you can see first bit is 1, so we are going to take 1s are 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. Discard this, take above 0. Again 1s are 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Discard this, take above 0. Okay, as you can say, first bit is now 0, to take zeros are 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. Discard this, take above 1. Okay, now what we are going to take now? 1s are, okay, 1 1 0 1. Now 0 0 0 0. Now as you can see, the remainder is now 0. Remainder 0 means what? There is no error. There is no error means we are going to accept the data. If there is another, if any of this bit is 1, means there is an error and we are going to reject the data. But as you can see, remainder is 0 means we are going to accept the data. So this is how actually CRC works with the help of division method when we are using XOR for finding there is any error or not. If we are getting remainder as in 0 means there is no error. So this is very simple technique. Just do the division, and if we get the remainder as in 0 at a receiver side, means we are getting we are having a error, we don't have any kind of error, and the data is going to be accepted. So this was the 4 different methods for detecting an error that we have seen: single parity check, two dimensional parity check, checksum, and the last one was the cyclic redundancy check. I hope you understand error detection and various methods for detecting an error that we have seen in the last 4 videos. I hope you understand. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.